10 chocolates, 10,000 sugar. No, some sugar. These are countable nouns, and this is an uncountable noun. So today we are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. First and foremost, do you know what are nouns? Nouns are names, places, animal, or thing. So example is like we have Jerry and Manoj as names, India, Canada as places, tiger, dog as animal, paper, pen, thing, and even feelings. They're all nouns. So remember, nouns are not action words which are like, run, jump, which are verbs. And they're not descriptive words like, smart, lazy, which are called adjectives. There are two kinds of nouns in English, and they are the countable and the uncountable nouns. Let's look at the countable nouns. Countable nouns are nouns where you can count with numbers, and you need to use the articles the an, or the. For example, you can say, I ate a banana today, or I ate an apple today. Now, these nouns, they usually have a singular or a plural form. For the plural form, we use the S or the ES to the noun. For example, I read 2 books this week, or there are 3 boxes in my kitchen. Now, I can also say I have 5 saris or 6 dresses. S and ES means you have more than one. Now, uncountable nouns, on the other hand, they are nouns that cannot be counted with numbers. We do not use a or an or s or es. They refer to things that are, seen as a mass. For example, you cannot say 1 water. I drank 1 water. No, I drank water. And 2 sugars. No, I want some sugar, or I want sugar. Instead, you would say some water or plenty of sugar. Now, these nouns do not usually have a plural form. And also, when I say the little girl is filled with happiness, we do not say a happiness, nor do we add s or es. So we cannot count feelings. My friend has 5 sadness. No. Other similar uncountable nouns are furniture, money, milk. I have a furniture or furnitures in my house. No, it's wrong. We do not use a or s. What do we say? I have furniture in my house. I cannot say I have 10 monies in my purse. I have money in my purse. So how can you tell if a noun is countable or uncountable? One way is to look at the article that we use along with them. Countable nouns, they usually take in the indefinite article, which is the a or the an, and the definite article the. For example, you will say a cat or the cats. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, they take the article the, or there is no article, water or the sugar. Another way to tell is to look at the noun themselves. Countable nouns, they always have a physical form that can be seen, touched, or counted. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, they refer to abstract concepts or substances that cannot be seen or counted. We can change an uncountable noun to a countable noun. Let's see how we do that. Let's take the example of furniture. I have plenty of furniture in my living room is an uncountable noun. But how do I change it to countable? I would say I have a few pieces of furniture in my living room. I ate some bread today. It is uncountable. I ate 3 slices of bread. It is countable. I drank a little water today is uncountable. I drank 2 glasses of water today. It is countable. I had enough money with me. It is uncountable. I have 20 100-rupee notes with me. It is countable. So let's do an exercise. Check on these words and tell yourself, are these words countable or uncountable? Boy. It is countable because you can say boys. Glass, countable because you can say glasses. Milk, it is uncountable. You cannot add a or an or s or es. Wallet, countable. Happy, it is uncountable. Knowledge is uncountable. I cannot say a knowledge. Now there are certain words which can be used only for countable. There are certain words which can be used only for uncountable, and there are certain words which can be used for both. So look at this chart and try to understand it. Words like many is used for words like many, and a few is used for countable. Words like much and a little is used for uncountable. But words like plenty, a lot of, some, enough of is used for both. So in many and much, we know it means a lot of. But many is used for countable and much is used for uncountable. And much is mostly used in the negative form. For example, I would say I have many cups at home, but I don't have much coffee in the coffee jar. I don't have much money in my wallet, but I have a few 100 rupee notes in my purse. Now, if you are getting confused and you don't know which word is used for countable or uncountable, instead of many or much, you could use the plenty and a lot of. Instead of few and a little, you could use the some or enough of. So example, I can say I have some cups at home, or I have enough water at home. I have plenty of chocolates in my handbag. So instead of wondering what to say, you can say I have plenty of chocolates. I have a lot of ice cream. So once again, I repeat, do not confuse yourself too much. You can use the words like plenty and a lot of, or some or enough for both the countable and the uncountable. Thus, countable and uncountable nouns, they play an important role in the English grammar, and master them. And once you learn how to identify them, you will be able to use them correctly, thus building up your fluency in English. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and listen to my latest video on degrees and adjectives. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.